back in our vlog session, and for today I will be telling you that being a YouTuber, it's also like being a gamer. Imagine. Yes, you heard it right. Parang sa larong ML, isang YouTuber, tayo ay kailangan alam natin ang ibig sabihin ng ML. That is, number 1, M is motive and L is language. What does these two words mean? Being a YouTuber, kailangan alam natin kung ano ba ang motibo natin nung nagsimula tayo ng pag-YouTube. If you want to grow your channel and reach the minimum requirements of YouTube, kailangan, pag tinanong ka, ba't ka nag-YouTube? What is your main motive? Hindi siya motivation, iba yung motivation at iba yung motive. Ano bang motibo mo nung pumasok ka? Diba? Others would say that pumasok ko ng YouTube because I want to make other people happy. I went to YouTube to have a depository of my memories. I went to YouTube to have my films, my profile be shared online in an online community. And for my part naman, medyo kakaiba siguro. I don't know if there are some of you who also share the same motive as I have, because this was brought by anger. Wow, ang bigat. Oo, kasi, you know, I watch videos na parang, gusto ko yung maraming videos na maganda online, but there are also videos na hindi ganon kaganda, and it does not contribute to the betterment of every individuals that would be watching the video. Yun, that I think that's the best way for me to describe. Alam nyo na kung anong ibig kong sabihin. Kung meron naman tayong papanood ng videos online that we could share, sana yung may matutunan tayo at makabuluhang mga videos. If not, better, I suggest you keep it to yourself or share it to your colleagues na kayo lang, and you discuss what's wrong with it and learn from it. If you are adult na or may isip na talaga tayo na mag-dissect ng isang video para may matutunan tayo, but we cannot deny the fact that there are a lot of young people watching the videos that are laughing at it na akala natin tama, then eventually ifa-follow natin, and yun, marami na ding nawawala na sa kung anong magandang dapat nakapupuntahan ng mga kabataan natin. Naliligaw na sila dahil maraming maraming kumakalat na mga videos online na hindi naman sana ay nakikita ng mga kabataan. So yun, I told myself na, yeah, if I have something to share with the online community that is worth viewing and worth sharing, that could contribute to you as an individual, to make you a better person and to have an impact in your life, why not share whatever I have and my talent in well, hindi pa naman siya talent, but it is a skill that I've been practicing for almost 2017. Ako nag-umpisang gumawa talaga, nagseryoso ng gumawa ng videos, or about 2 years. I would like to keep my skills. So, yun, kailangan kong ihasa para mas maging magaling tayong tagagawa ng pelikula. So, I eventually decided na go and take YouTube seriously. Maybe this is one thing that you could do so that you won't lose your skills in video making. Yun, so yun talaga yung naging motibo. Parang ang layo na sinasabi. Yung motibo ko talaga was brought by the anger na maraming videos na parang and but naman ako kung may bibigay naman akong kabuluhang videos, why not I go with you here in the online community and share what I have. And at the same time, yun nga, I am able to practice my skills in video making. Next is L for language. Language, it is literally language na pagsasalita natin. And figuratively, it's how you are able to express yourself, no? So, as an individual, may iba't iba tayong lingwahe sa sasabi, tulad ba ng sinasabi na, what is your language of love? For me, my language of love is giving time to a person. Pag sinabi ko, oh sige, game, magkape tayo. Seryoso ako yun. Ibig sabihin yun, I care for you and I want to spend my time with you. Pero pag hindi mo siya, at hindi mo ako sinipot, well, I'm sorry. I'm not sure if I'll give you another chance for a coffee. Well, may pinaghuhugutan. No? I mean, we have all different language when it comes to expressing ourselves. YouTube is a sharing platform for videos, and not all of us would be good in sharing our life, sharing our skills in video making through vlogging. You could also share your videos, use YouTube, being a YouTuber, as yun nga sinabi ko kanina, maging portfolio nyo if you have films and your language of sharing that piece of yourself is making films and upload it online through YouTube channel. Your language as a YouTuber could also be making PowerPoint presentation, mga slideshows, yung mga other content creators, marami yang mabilis tulad ng mga DIY. So you create videos and upload it. You don't have to speak like us na vloggers na humaharap talaga sa camera. You make montage and make a story, create a story and upload it. May mapupulot na ideas yung mga viewers natin. If that's the language on how you share your ideas, go for it. You don't have to do what we are doing na kumakausap, because this is our language of sharing. Our ideas is to look at you straight into your eyes and talk to you, and eto talaga yung gusto kong sabihin sa'yo, kaya makinig ka. Others, diba, tatabihan ka lang, at our presence would be enough to tell you that we care for you. So, as vloggers, meron ding ibang vloggers na yung language nila is mas malakas sila sa loob ng kanilang bahay. That's what we call yung mga sit-in videos, magaling sa sit-in videos. And ako, honestly, hindi ako magaling sa sit-in videos. If you have noticed in my first session, yung paniwang medyo awkward po tayo kasi talagang kumukulo yung sikmura ko pag nasa loob na ako ng bahay at ako lang mag-isa. That's why, if you have noticed, most of my videos ay nasa labas talaga ako kasi yung language ko as a performer, yes, I am a performer, as a meron bang term na communicator? As somebody who wants to talk to you, mas magaling ako or mas nasanay ako na nasa labas, that there are people watching me. So, for those who have not known me, I'm a theater actor and a performer, stage critic. That's why I am used to be facing crowd rather than being inside my house, inside my room, and talking to a camera without anybody na makakasama ko o may makukuha akong instant na reaction. So, yung language ko talaga in communication is being able to see instant reaction from the second person. And literally, yung language is kailangan alam mo kung saan ka talaga magaling. That's why, if you have noticed, most of my vlogs are in our own language, which is Hiligaynon. I would like to stress this out. Yung language po ng taga Iloilo is Hiligaynon, hindi po Ilonggo. Ilonggo refers to the people, but our language is Hiligaynon. Yun. Kasi dun ako sanay, and if you have not, hindi pa ako nakapagsasalita ng purely English or purely Tagalog, but I'm trying, because of course some of you don't know how to speak in Hiligaynon, and I would also want to reach you guys because I believe that I could also help you in my videos. So I'm trying my best, and I hope you get to magtiis-tiis muna sa aking Taglish na language. And for my shows and event vlog, now I'm starting to have my subtitles. Nadidelay tayo 2 weeks ng ating mga vlogs because of I'm really having a hard time, but I promise you I'll keep it up so that on the day makakapag-upload tayo tulad ng dati na during the morning your shoot, in the evening I get to upload, or the following day I get to share to you the experience we have here in Iloilo. And yun, as a YouTuber, kailangan mo talaga, you have to know your motive and to know your own language, literally and figuratively, to be able to communicate well to your audience, to your online followers in the online community. And once you get to know what is your real motive, kung ba't ka ba nandito, ano bang dahilan, ba't ka nag-exist dito sa YouTube, and mas kilala mo ng self mo kung paano ka makakapag-usap sa mga kaibigan mo dyan sa kabilang side ng camera natin, the online community, then I would tell you, I would guarantee that eventually you will really, really grow your channel. So that's it for our video, and thank you very much for watching. I hope you like my background na medyo it's actually super di ba? Nagba-bounce yung light. I'm sorry for that kasi eto na lang yung my room is so messy. Ito lang yung nakita kong good background for this video right now. So, thank you very much for watching, and see you next week. If you have any questions, please do comment down below so I could be able to answer it in our last 4 sessions in this vlog session. Bye!
Yung kayo nakakapit ka po sa akong channel, yan po yung hinulat nyo. Pindutan ang subscribe button para